Hello everyone. This video is the part of a complete series in which we will learn to code in the most popular language of the industry, which is Python. Python is a very beginner-friendly language and is much easier to learn and grasp than some of the conventional languages like C, C++, or Java. In this video series, I will assume that you have no prior knowledge of coding in any language. However, if you do, that would be great. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get straight into it. To learn Python, we must first install it in our systems. To install Python, you just need to search it up on Google, open their official website. After opening the website, you just have to download Python from this link where it says download for Windows Python 3.8.2. Here I would like to mention the fact that we will be exploring Python 3.0 as it is the newer version and would be supported much longer than Python 2.0. After downloading this file, you just have to click on it. Python is already installed on my machine, so I cannot do that, but the process is as simple as clicking on the next button and finish installation. Now, after the installation is complete, you just have to type IDLE in your search bar and an app will show up. If it does, that means your installation was successful. It would look something like this. Now the installation was successful and we are ready to start learning Python. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.